Okay, today we're featuring a 2011 Chevrolet Impala LT. Alright, it's got 83,000 miles on it. It's victory red in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle here. We'll start on the driver's side. First thing I noticed, it's got brand new tires on it. Make our way down the driver's side here. Got the nice chrome trim around the windows. Everything's in really good shape here. Alright. Everything looks good along the rear of the vehicle. Make our way down the passenger side. Small little ding right here in the side, real small. Just want to point that out to you, and a couple right here on the hood. Okay, but it is an 11. It's got 83,000 miles, so that's to be expected, but it will be priced to sale. Okay, and actually the exterior of this Impala is in really good shape. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the gray and black door panels, power windows, power locks. Got a little wood grain trim right here. Power side mirrors. Okay. Gray cloth. Right. Driver's seat's in good shape. Does come with the keyless entry key fob, which has remote start as well. Okay. Got your center console here. Passenger seat cloth looks good. Alright, no problems there. It is an automatic. It's got the nice wood grain trim around the transmission there. There's your climate control area. Got your AM FM CD player. Okay. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Got your steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. And then on this side over here, got your cruise control. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Alright, it's got 83,337 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, we'll go ahead and give you another look over here at the radio. Alright, it's got your CD player there. Got your climate controls right here. Looks like dual climate controls. Alright. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Alright, door panels back here look good. Back seat carpet is in good shape, no staining back here. Back seat cloth looks good as well. All right, 2011, 83,000 miles. It's in very good shape inside and out. Give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, let's take a look at the trunk. See how much trunk space we got back here. All right, carpet back here is nice and clean. You got a ton of space in these Impalas. I'll stand to the side. You can see the depth which you're dealing with there. Alright, lift this up. Got your spare tire under there. Alright, just take a look at the wheels and tires. Got, let's see, 16-inch alloys. Alright, alloys are in good shape. And a brand new set of tires here. You can see the depth of the tread. Alright, once again, it's a 2011. It's got 83,000 miles on it. Alright, it's very well taken care of on the inside and out. Got a few dings on the hood, one on the back, but other than that, this vehicle's in great shape. Okay, come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.